What is learning? This is a process of finding patterns in data. Very simple, right? What is learning? It's a process of finding patterns in data. That is what learning. Okay? It's a process of finding patterns in data so that the machine, look at the machine is nothing but a model or an algorithm or a software system can make accurate predictions or decisions in the future. Okay, it will learn. It could be a mathematical model, or it could be an algorithm, or it could be a software system, or it could be a computer that learns from data and it generates pattern that will help us in prediction or decision in the future. That is called learning. Okay, it's finding patterns in data. Simple. Learning is nothing but finding patterns in data. Okay, and also we can tell learning in machine learning is the process of a computer algorithm automatically improving its ability to make predictions. Not only it's generating patterns, it will improve itself, automatically improve. You no need to program it. That is called machine learning. A machine will, first what we saw, finding patterns, and then it will improve its ability by itself based on the data. It will know fine tune it will fine tune itself. Okay, that's called machine learning means.